An analytical function of a complex variable z is equal to x plus iy, where I is equal to under root minus 1, is defined as f of z is equal to x square minus y square plus I psi of xy, where psi of xy is a real function. The value of the imaginary part of f of z at z is equal to 1 plus I is dash. So this is basically a numerical answer type question, and we need to remember that the value which is being asked in the question is to be rounded off to 2 decimal places. Okay, so this is basically a question from complex variables, and let's try to solve this. Let us consider f of z is equal to u plus iv and compare this with the given f of z, where we get u is equal to x square plus y square and v is equal to psi of xy, where u is the real part of the complex function and v is the imaginary part of the complex function. So basically we need to calculate the imaginary part of the given constant psi of xy at z is equal to 1 plus I. Okay, it is given in the question that the function f of z is analytic. So we know that if a complex function is analytic, then it satisfies the Cauchy-Riemann equations, which are dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y and dou u by dou y is equal to minus dou v by dou x. So we need to determine the imaginary part of f of z. So since we need to determine the imaginary part, we will write the total derivative of the imaginary part dv as dou v by dou x into dx plus dou v by dou y into dy. Okay, so from this equation we have dou v by dou x and dou v by dou y. So let us try to replace that using the Cauchy-Riemann equations with in terms of u, because we know the function u is given as x square minus y square. So let us try to replace that using the CR equations first. This turns out to be dv is equal to minus dou u by dou y dx plus dou u by dou x dy. So if we substitute u is equal to x square minus y square in this equation, and after simplification we are remained with 2 dv is equal to 2y dx plus 2x dy. From this we can take out 2 common and write this as dv is equal to 2 into y dx plus x dy. So the bracket term y dx plus x dy is written as dv is equal to 2 into dxy. So now integrating on both sides will give us v is equal to 2xy. So the imaginary part of the given complex function is 2xy. But we need to calculate the value of imaginary part at z is equal to 1 plus I. That means x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Okay, so when we substitute x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 in this equation, we get v is equal to 2. So the answer range is 1.99 to 2.01.